Hello, good day. This is Technical Analysis Part 5. This is Kingsley Abedi. Okay, and for those who have been following from Part 1, this is the final video I'm going to do on technical analysis. And I'm going to use NGX group shares, you know, as example. So based on what we have here, if you look at what happened here, it traded at over 70, right? Let me take it down to see. It's around 78. Okay. And now currently it's trading at around 62, 62.3 or around 62.2. Okay, so is this a good buy or is this a good sell or is this good to hold? For short-term traders, short-term investors, this is a very, very good one to gamble. So you can see that the price has gotten here. So eventually there's a little bit of resistance level here that is likely being broken. So at 62.2, the resistance level is slightly being broken. So it's possible that it's going to hit, above this 62 and gradually it may start going up. And even if it hits 62, before it even gets to 69, you've gotten 10%. So for short-term traders, this is a very, very good time to buy this particular stock. And based on the indicator here, relative strength index is saying it's flat, although it's a little bit down. It's down here based on what we have from, how do you check it? From here to the top. So it's already down. So, and it has already started showing upward direction or upward trajectory. So most likely it may go up on the short term. What about for medium term investors like 6 months, 1 year? Of course, if you ask me, I'll tell you it is when we do evaluation, that is when we'll be able to decide if you should invest. But from the look of things, NGX may do well. Why? Because of several companies that will be listed on NGX, by 2026, that's just next year. So, of course, this is not a financial advice, okay, but based on what the chart is saying, it may go a little bit higher. And of course, for short-term traders, this is a risk that you can take. It's a risk that is worth taking. What if it goes down? It will likely go down to 59.55. So how much would you have lost? Maybe around let's say 10% on the average, or maybe anything close to 10%. Then definitely it may most likely not go below that after it gets to 59.55. So like I said, for short-term traders, this is a good one. For medium and long-term traders, you can also buy it and hold. Okay. So this is the final class on technical analysis. And based on everything I've been saying, do not make investment decision on stocks based on technical analysis alone or based on charts. Always ensure that you do valuation and of course check the market sentiment, check news. And let me quickly say something about news. I'm going to give this for free. Be careful. Don't just take whatever you see hook, line, and sinker. Okay, maybe I'll do another video on news. Okay, investors are smart. Investors can decide to make an investment decision and decide to publish something relating to that company on the media. And when you see it, you may think that this is a bad company. You want to sell out, pull out your money. And those people, they're already buying into those stocks. So I'm going to talk about news, how to assess news, properly before making an investment decision. I believe you've learned something, from this video. Please do well to subscribe. And of course, you can share it. If you gain something, share to somebody. Thank you so much. Bye bye.